Bosch cooling range has an array of fridges to suit every home's needs. This particular model is a AA energy rated combination fridge freezer with a net capacity of 505 litres. And when it comes to freshness, Bosch brings you the latest technologies. There are two 0-degree drawers that are ideal for storing meat, chicken, fish separately without transferring odours, and in ideal conditions to last up to 7 days without freezing. The VitaFresh Plus system allows you to adjust the humidity of the drawer to best suit your fruits and vegetables. This will result in your items lasting twice as long. The LED lights illuminate your fridge, allowing you to see your items quite clearly. And as you can see, the exterior of the fridge is beautifully designed with black glass. It has an LED touch control panel that allows you to adjust your temperature quite easily. Your acoustic alarm, that goes off if the temperature has dropped or if you haven't closed your fridge properly. The freezer has a technology called no frost, which means that there is never ice buildup and you don't have to manually defrost your freezer. The drawers are very versatile, allowing you to store big or small items. In particular is the big box, allowing you to store even larger items. And in the event of a power failure, the freezer holds up to 18 kilograms of food frozen for up to 24 hours. This beautiful fridge is suited for any kitchen and will ensure longer lasting fresh food, whilst ensuring economical electricity bills.